Hi there and welcome to Automated Due. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at my latest project, a website for Santa Claus. Yeah, this was a fun and festive project that I worked on just in the time for the holiday season. Now, I have to admit, I am not a UI designer by any means, but I decided to take on this project and see what I could come with. I started by gathering all the necessary information and materials, including some fun content and imagery that I thought would be appropriate for the site. From there, I began the design process. Seriously, I had no real plan in mind, so I just let my creativity flow and started building. I chose colors, fonts, and other design elements that I thought would capture the magic and joy of the holiday season. One thing I really wanted to include was a moving background. So I initially thought about using a video, but then I discovered that we can use GIFs as backgrounds too. So I went searching for the perfect GIF and I found one that I really liked. However, when I tried to resize the website for mobile devices, I encountered a problem. The GIF was at the top of the page and it looked really weird. I used the background attributes to fix this, but then another issue arose. On mobile devices, the GIF was only showing a small portion of itself because it had been enlarged to fit the entire screen. So I decided to use media queries to add a different GIF specifically for mobile devices. This GIF features and in a vertical orientation and it worked much better. I also wanted to include an audio element on the website. My initial plan was to have the Jingle Bells song play automatically when the user visited the site. However, due to updated Chrome policies, we are not able to autoplay music on websites anymore. So I decided to add a play audio button to the navbar instead. When clicked, this button would play the Jingle Bells song on a loop until the user refreshed the page. Next, I added some cards to the website. These cards featured brief descriptions of different Christmas traditions and activities. I also included a link to Waregram's website, which is a web design and development company that offers SEO and automation services too. And gives. We also have Christmas offers, so I thought of redirecting the viewers to a site. So I added another card describing Waregram's gift and I changed the entire theme because the usual theme of Santa Claus is to come and give us gifts during Christmas, right? And then I thought, why wouldn't we design in a way that Santa comes everyone a gift? And the offer was Gift of Santa. So yeah, I did a card and just explained how to get into it. Now, let me share with you some tips that I learned along the way. Number 1. Have fun with your projects. This was a bit of fun project for me and I think that really showed in the final product. Number 2. Always start with a plan. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want the final product to look like before you start designing. This will help you stay on the track and avoid any unnecessary revisions later on. Number 3. Think about your target audience. It's important to consider who will be using the website and designing it with their needs and interests in mind. Number 4. Use high quality images and graphics. High quality images and graphics can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your website. Number 5. Test, test, test. It's important to test the website on different devices and browsers to ensure that it's functioning properly and looks great no matter where it's being viewed. I hope these tips have been helpful and I hope you enjoyed learning about how I created this new website for Santa Claus. If you have any questions or have any feedback, let me know in the comments below. By the way, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. Thanks for watching. I would like to know your feedback on the comments or by messaging me. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my future videos. Thank you.
Hark, count the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, big and the bold. Ding dong, that is their song. Ring, joyful ring, long caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, holy Lord, raising the sound, all melodies, all their tones. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Dear they send all without end, their joyful tone to every home. Hark, count the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, big and the bold. Ding dong, that is their song. hear words of good cheer from every